Welcome to all my YouTube viewers. Today I have come a new TDL file. Okay, this video is related how can we transfer the group of companies voucher and to see the ledger account of group of companies. That means group of companies, vendors, customer. That means debtors, creditors, consolidated ledger account. Okay, first I have already installed my TDL in my Tally Prime software. Now group of company means a company have a many branches in different state of India. Okay, we all know the balance sheet will be made against HO PAN number and it is the unique. Okay, but sales purchase of all branches are made against that state GST number. Now there is the important thing is that all the payments are receipts. All branches, vendors, vendors, receipt and payments will be made by HO. That means the centralized. Okay. Now so which data we need to transfer? Only the branches, sales and purchase. That means liabilities and assets are transferred to HO. Okay, that's when if we materials purchased from vendor in books of branches, then there is no shown the ledger account. All the purchase entry transferred to HO by internal journal entry. That's mean in books of branch branch account. In books of branch account, the journal will be that is if the syndicators, then the syndicators is debit to same amount is carried to HO. Same the journal entry will be made in books of HO. That means the branch TN is debit to syndicator is carried. Okay, now I go to branch HO. Okay, sorry, I go to branch. Okay, now this company is HO is in Bengal and branch is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, I go to Tamil Nadu books of accounts. That means branches books of accounts. Now you can see the option Tamil Nadu data transfer. Okay, select the period 1st December 2012. These all the entries are practical and real life. There is the no demo entry or demo version. Okay, now select particular ledger account means syndicate creditors. Okay, now you can see there is showing the 3 numbers of purchase bill. This purchase bill I want to transfer from HO and also the create a journal entry in branches in books of branch. Okay, now there is also one important thing. If this user sometimes select the previous voucher which has been already transferred, but second time if you select this select this voucher and click the button transfer, but that voucher never transferred because that voucher, each and every voucher is only one time transfer. If the user wrongly selected and several times if we done the transfer but never double double data transfer. Okay, now I want to see this voucher L37, this purchase voucher already transferred. Just I go to this ledger account, vendor's ledger account. Now you can see this this purchase is 4th December and journal entry made the 4th December. This means the syndicator's account debit and HO account credit. Same journal entry automatically transferred to HO. I go to HO books and select that vendor's ledger account. You can also for December, this journal entry made by branch account TN debit and that syndicator's account credit. And here is the narration is automatically come amount of rupees 80,47,111 purchase invoice number ato dated ato purchased by TN GSTN number, and there is also the reference number is the your purchase bill number. Okay, so just I go to branches account, branch account, and go to Tamil Nadu data transfer. Okay, I select the period 1st December to 18 December and select that vendor's ledger account because I want to transfer this 3 number of voucher, but remember one voucher previously already transferred. Okay, just button the transfer data entry, you can see the transfer already made, and go to this vendor's ledger account. This vendor ledger account is nil. That's the all liabilities taken by the HO. Okay, now you can see this for December voucher previously updated or transferred, this time does not transfer because never transferred that twice or double. Okay, and these two 14 December purchase entry transfer and 11 December data also transferred. These 2 number of data automatically journal entry made. There is the syndicator's account debit to HO credit. There is the automatically narration amount of 9,97,825 transferred to HO as the amount paid or to be paid by HO account. Okay, now there is no balance in the syndicators because all liabilities taken by HO. Okay, now we go to HO and select this syndicator's ledger account. You can see here is the balance is 10,79,886. This means this amount the HO will be paid to these syndicators or to the vendors. These 2 voucher is already updated. Okay, whenever I Tamil Nadu data transfer, this means the both company internal journal entry automatically made. Okay, the first entry for December previously updated, so this time also not made in your HO account. The 11 December, this is the branch account debit and your syndicators is credit. Okay, this still now this is only for branches data transfer. Okay, sales and purchase. Here I will see only for purchase entry. This video only for the purchase entry transferring. Okay, so now Second report is consolidated ledger account. That means the if from HO, if I share the my vendors this ledger account, they cannot understand this branch journal entry. They want to say what is this, okay? But but uh, but I want to only the purchase and payment entries. If I get to my vendors, then it easily understand, okay? So this is as per our books of accounts, and this ledger account group of ledger account only for customers and vendors, that I can share with them and they easily understand the ledger account, okay? Now group company ledger account, in the books of HO, want to say I want to say this ledger account is only the purchase and payment entry, okay? You can see is there the Tamil Nadu purchase and all the payments made from the Kolkata. Here is the option the transfer from or to, okay, from where the transfer is done, okay? The state, that is the West Bengal, and that is the which one is Tamil Nadu, okay? Now you can see this ledger account is showing 12 lakhs 50,680 608 and 0.36 is the outstanding for the syndicators, that is the HO liabilities, okay? So you can see also you want to alter the purchase bill which we made from branch, okay? If you want to change here, it is automatically update in your branch, in books of branch. Just I go to last item, that is that 16 numbers, I just 20 numbers, okay? The total amount will be changed, okay? Previously, just I want to say previously it is the last one, I want to change 14 December, okay? I want to, this one is one quantity, I just add two quantity, that is the 16,000 will be changed. This is the voucher will be change, okay? I go to branch, okay, and display the ledger account, that's vendors ledger account, last 14 December voucher. You can see in your branch it is already changes, the last item quantity has been changed by two pieces, okay? So go to HO and to company ledger account, okay? You can also configure your details. If you want to details, you can see all the details, that is the purchase account, Tamil Nadu purchase account, IGST amount and round off. It is the your bank account. You want to changes also the bank details, inventory details also you can details, bank mode payment also you can have, bank additional bank details also can you see here. That is the sim it's as per tally normal ledger account, okay? Now I want to make a purchase voucher entry from HO, okay? It is the 18 December, make a voucher that particular indicators, these are vendors, okay? And the IGST purchase taken and the just I one quantity, two quantity, and 25,000. So I make a 50,000 voucher. Here I on to the IGST also amount. The 58,000 voucher entry made from HO against that vendors. Now I go to group company ledger. Now select that ledger account. Now you see the IGST purchase is from West Bengal mentioned, and this purchase account from Tamil Nadu. Okay. You also see this group of ledger account if your user is in the Tamil Nadu. Now you want to see he want to share this ledger account with his vendors or customer. So every time the HO cannot access by your Tamil Nadu user. So Tamil Nadu user can also check the ledger account. Okay, and he can also share this ledger account with his vendors. Okay, there is automatically is come this IGST purchase of West Bengal. Now it's shown in branches books. Okay, so that is the easy for user, anyone. HO admin also share the ledger account. Also user of Tamil Nadu share the final ledger account to his vendor or customer. Okay, so it is automatically updated both of books of accounts, branch as well as HO. Okay, so this video is unique for group company data transfer, also consolidated ledger account, because the payment and receipt is centralized by the HO. Okay, we never can transfer the receipt and payments because the books of bank account is mentioned where I from whom I pay, receive the entries and to whom I paid the amount. Okay, so if anyone require this TDL, you 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 can you can contact with me. My mobile number is given below in description. Thank you. Good night.